Breakups are tough. They can feel like the end of the world, leaving you in a state of emotional turmoil. It's a universal experience that almost everyone goes through at some point in their lives. It's like someone ripped a piece of your heart out. The pain can be overwhelming, making it hard to focus on anything else. It's okay to feel sad, angry, confused, or even numb. These emotions are a natural response to loss and should be acknowledged rather than suppressed. Don't try to bottle up your emotions. Expressing how you feel can be incredibly therapeutic. Whether it's through journaling, talking to a friend, or even seeking professional help, letting it out is crucial. Let yourself feel the pain, but don't let it consume you. Remember, you're not alone. Many people have walked this path before and have come out stronger on the other side. Millions of people go through breakups, and they come out stronger on the other side. Lean on your support system. Friends, family, or support groups can provide the comfort and perspective you need. Acknowledge your pain, but don't let it define you. Use this time to rediscover yourself and focus on personal growth. This is a chapter in your life, not the whole story. Your journey is far from over, and this experience will become just one part of your rich tapestry of life. It's easy to fall into the trap of self-blame, but resist the urge. Relationships end for many reasons, and it's rarely just one person's fault. Focus on healing and moving forward. Engage in activities that bring you joy and peace, whether it's yoga, hiking, or any other form of self-care. This breakup doesn't define your worth or your future. You are still the same valuable person you were before, and you have the power to shape your own destiny. Keep telling yourself, this too shall pass. It's a reminder that the pain is temporary and that better days are ahead. It's a cliché for a reason because it's true. Time heals all wounds, and with each passing day the intensity of your pain will lessen. The intensity of your pain won't last forever. Just like the sunrise follows the darkest night, hope and happiness will return to your life. It's okay to not be okay right now. Allow yourself to feel whatever you need to feel without judgment. Give yourself permission to grieve and heal at your own pace. Everyone's journey is different, and it's important to honor your own process. Breakups often bring a whirlwind of emotions. It's a tumultuous time where you might feel like you're losing control. The end of a relationship can be one of the most challenging experiences, stirring up a mix of feelings that can be overwhelming. It's like you're on an emotional roller coaster, going through different stages. Each stage brings its own set of challenges and emotions, making it hard to find your footing. First, there might be denial. This can't be happening. You might find yourself refusing to accept the reality of the situation, clinging to the hope that things will go back to the way they were. Then comes anger. How could they do this to me? Anger can be directed at your ex-partner, yourself, or even the world. It's a natural response to the hurt and betrayal you feel. Bargaining might follow. If only I had done things differently. You might replay moments in your head, thinking about what you could have said or done to change the outcome. And then, sadness. A deep sense of loss and loneliness. This stage can feel like a heavy weight on your chest, making it hard to see a way forward. Finally, there's acceptance. This is reality, and I need to move on. Acceptance doesn't mean you're okay with what happened, but it does mean you're ready to start healing and looking towards the future. These stages might not always be linear. You might go back and forth. It's common to feel like you're making progress one day, only to feel like you're back at square one the next. It's important to understand that these emotions are normal. Everyone grieves differently, and there's no right or wrong way to navigate these feelings. Don't judge yourself for feeling them. Self-compassion is crucial during this time. Allow yourself to feel without guilt or shame. Allow yourself to experience each stage without rushing the process. Healing takes time, and it's important to give yourself the space to grieve fully. Acknowledge your feelings and let them flow through you. Remember, healing isn't linear. There will be ups and downs, and that's a natural part of the process. Some days will be better than others, and that's okay. Celebrate the good days and be gentle with yourself on the harder ones. Be kind to yourself, and don't be afraid to reach out for support when you need it. Friends, family, or a therapist can provide the comfort and guidance you need. Your feelings are valid, and you deserve to heal. Take it one day at a time, and trust that with patience and self-care, you will find peace again. After a breakup, it's crucial to focus on yourself and your well-being. This is the time to prioritize self-care, rediscover yourself, and focus on personal growth. Start by taking care of your physical health. Eat nutritious food, get enough sleep, and engage in physical activity. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Take this time to reconnect with yourself. Engage in activities you love but haven't had time for. Rediscover old hobbies or explore new ones. Learn a new skill, join a club, or volunteer for a cause you care about. This is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Use this time to reflect on the relationship. Learn from the experience, both the good and the bad. What did you learn about yourself? What are your non-negotiables in a partner? Take this time to set healthy boundaries for future relationships. During tough times, having a strong support system is crucial. It's in these moments that the presence of friends and family becomes invaluable. They provide not just physical comfort but emotional and mental support that can help you navigate through the storm. Don't be afraid to lean on your friends and family. They are there to help you carry the weight of your burdens. Sometimes just knowing that someone is there for you can make all the difference in the world. Talk to them, share your feelings, and let them be there for you. Open up about what you're going through, and you'll find that expressing your emotions can be incredibly liberating. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. Positive energy is contagious, and being around those who genuinely care about your well-being can help you see the light at the end of the tunnel. Sometimes, just talking to someone who listens can make a world of difference. A listening ear can provide a sense of validation and understanding that is often needed during tough times. Your loved ones can offer comfort, advice, and a different perspective. They might see things from an angle you hadn't considered, providing insights that can help you find solutions or simply feel better. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Isolation can make problems seem insurmountable, but with a support system, you can face challenges with more strength and resilience. Your friends and family care about you and want to help you through this. They are invested in your well-being and want to see you thrive, even in the face of adversity. Don't hesitate to reach out to them. A simple phone call or visit can be the first step towards feeling better. Let them know what you need, whether it's a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on, or just some company. If you're not comfortable sharing everything, that's okay too. You can share as much or as little as you want. The important thing is to let them in, even if it's just a little bit. Even spending quality time with loved ones can be incredibly therapeutic. Engaging in activities you enjoy together can provide a much-needed distraction and a sense of normalcy. Laughter, shared memories, and simple companionship can be powerful healers. These moments remind you of the good times and can help lift your spirits. Remember, your support system is there for you, ready to offer love and encouragement as you navigate this difficult time. Lean on them, and let their strength bolster yours.